I'm feeling a little all over the place right now. My energy feels scattered. I'm feeling very ungrounded. I'm feeling anxious in my body. I feel disconnected from the present moment. It feels unsafe to be in my body. Even though I'm feeling ungrounded, I deeply and completely love, accept, and forgive myself. In this moment, I'm safe. I'm choosing to connect to the present moment right now. I'm choosing to be present in my body right now. I'm grounded in this present moment. It's safe for me to be in my body. I can feel my fingers tapping on my chest right now. I'm feeling more grounded now and so much more connected to the energy of Mother Earth.